Okay, this is the Bosch drill 2-pack that I picked up because I was looking for a little set of low profile drills and drivers and impact for my shop. This is the drill that comes with it. It's a regular, screw Torx hex head. Has a little light in the front there. Of course, reverse and forward. Also has a clutch, so you can change the torque that it has, and then it has two settings like a lot of drills. Right, it has a high torque and a low torque, and then of course it has a removable battery. That's what I like about this, is there's not a captive battery inside this. You can take the battery out and move it to the other 12-volt platforms. It is a 12-volt and the battery is a 2 amp hour, and it is also brushless. This one is the impact that comes with it. It has the hex collet that you pull up and down, so you can put the screw or put the bit in, right? And then you just release it by pulling up. This one does not have a light on it, but it does have the battery indicator on the side. It has the removable battery as well. Same one, 12-volt, 2 amp hour. It fits right there in the handle. This one does, it does have a light on it. It does have a light, which you can turn on. There you go. It also has two different torque settings, or impact settings here. So you can hear the difference. And the other feature I like about these is that they are lightweight. So I've got my scale. I want to show you just what they weigh, because that comes into play if you are kind of on the job site for a little bit. So it looks like it weighs 1 pound and about 10 ounces. That's the first one, and then this is the impact. And the impact weighs about the same, 1 pound, 10 ounces. And the last feature I'll show you is the profile on these. I got these because I like the depth. So without a bit in, we're looking at about 6 inches on the impact, and about 6 inches the same on the drill. So very nice set, very lightweight, very easy to use in your shop.